Hello guys, here I have PS5 Slim Disc Edition on the left and PS5 Pro, obviously without disk drive, on the right. So today I will talk about covers. I will take this drive from PS5 Slim and install it in PS5 Pro. And third, I will check if PS5 Pro can recognize this drive and use it properly. And before I proceed, please hit the like button. So first we will try to remove that cover, and you need to grab that corner until you hear a click. Once you move here and again at that corner, now you can lift the cover. We don't have any marks here because obviously we have only one plate like that. Here you can see the optical drive, and in order to remove it there is a small kind of a hole, so you just gently pull it up and you can see it. This is the optical drive. It has a connector here, one metal pin, and here we can see two legs which secure the drive in the console. Now if we turn it around, you can see I put the mark PS5, and in order to remove it from the front, you grab that corner and you pull it until you hear a click. Again here, maybe here, okay, no, in the middle. Now we move next, okay. So you can see here some dust, that's fine. We will wipe it after. Kind of the clips here and here. Those are not clips but rather like hooks, I will say. So we put it aside. Before we move on, those are glossy, but at the bottom they are made. Both of them actually. This one is made too. It's not glossy, and okay. Now we grab PS5 Pro and we will repeat the steps. So you can see the sticker says Pro. From the front we just grab that corner and we pull it gently in the middle, and that's it. I will show you how it looks from the back. Kind of the hooks here and rather clips here. Okay, so this is Pro plate. Actually we don't need to remove it, that one, but for the sake of experiment we're gonna do this anyway. So same, from the front panel, I grab that corner, click, click, click. Okay, and I will show you how it looks from the back. Again we have clips here and kind of the hooks here. Okay, now we take the PS5 plate and we install it on Pro. Taking into consideration those are hooks, they should be inserted first, right? So we, from the back, we insert those hooks and we push gently from the front. Now it sits properly and not moving. So next we install the optical drive. So we align the connector, but first we install those legs in front. Okay, legs are there. I just push it gently. The drive is connected. Now we take this, we check at the bottom and we see those are hooks and those are clips, right? So we start with hooks and we insert them from the back. Once they are hooked, it's not yet. Okay, now they are hooked, and I need to push from the front. Okay, all seems to be snagged properly, and you see what those plates are from PS5 Slim, and they sit properly on PS5 Pro. Now I will grab my PS5 Slim version, now without the drive, and I will install plates. That one with a symbol, it's the right side. So again, those are hooks. We insert them here. Okay, now it seems to be snagged properly in its place. I take another plate, says Pro. I hook this hooks at the back. Okay, so we have PS5 Slim version, which is now without the disc, and the design here is glossy surface at the top and matte surface at the bottom on both sides. Okay, but if you look at PS5 Pro, this is not glossy but matte, and this is matte, so they are matching here. See? I would like to talk about those two legs which came with PS5 Pro. There are two holes here, and without the drive it was supposed to sit like that as an option, but now with legs it doesn't work anymore, and now I'm gonna be use it vertically until I buy the stand I saw on AliExpress, something like here. You can put it here and you can lay it down, because when we insert these legs it's not at the same level anymore as before. So you can see it doesn't do anything to keep it. Okay guys, now you see the message from PS5 Pro. It says you can now use your disk drive with your PS5. To safely remove your disk drive, make sure to first turn off your PS5 and unplug the AC power cord. Removing your disk drive while your PS5 is in rest mode might cause data loss, corruption or damage. So I believe it's all good now. I will try to insert the disk. Okay, where is my disk? This is the Witcher now, Wild Hunt. And what it says, I guess it says to install that. Just in case, this is what I inserted inside. Okay, so we just installed it from the disk, And we have an option to start without the update, right? Let's start it. Nice, right?